Hi everyone, this is Robert from 3 Design. Just thought I would give you a quick update on the Cubicon. We've just done a print of coming to work and it is finished. I just wanted to show you the print quality and the ease of use of the product and how easy it is to get the product off the bed plate. Okay. Now if you look in here, this is an ABS job that we've done for a client, and as you can see the print quality is very good. Now look at this, straight off the bed, no warpage, very good print quality. Now that was a very simple print. Put it on and walk away. Now that just shows you how far along Cubicon are with their technology. Very impressive. Thanks for listening.